clean. Oh, okay. Welcome to Beauty Garage. My name's Christopher Dale, and today I'm going to be working on Cameraman's Subaru Forester. I'm going to be installing some Rockford Fosgate door speakers to give his sound system that little oomph. So I got my tools. Let's get started. And it's out. Oh. Yeah, I should probably be using wire strippers. I'm just being very careful with a really sharp razor.
Start telling me what's going on.
Oh, you want to plug in? Actually, this says radio. There we go. All right, well, it looks like the holes for the Subaru mounting plate and the speaker don't line up, so I'm gonna try and figure out a way to make it mount up. All right, so I took the Subaru mounting plate out, put the Rockford Fosgate speaker on there, and I did realize that they gave me screws that I can use to mount it. They're a little bit longer, so I'm just gonna go for it. Scratch that. All right, so I got the Rockford Fosgate speaker screwed into the stock Subaru mount, and it's just plug and play at this point. All right, and there we go. It's time to move on to the other side, I guess. Oh, hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell.
Now it's time for Sponsor Chair.
Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. And that's a wrap. All right, let's see how it sounds, or hear how it sounds. You can't really see it. It's clean. Oh, okay. That's much better. That was loud. All right, so I just finished the installation of the Rockford Fosgate speakers into Cameraman's Subaru Forester. Here at Beauty Garage, we think car audio really improves the driving experience of a vehicle. Let us know in the comments down below if you think it's important or not. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.